This is the gear shift. The function is this to transfer the engine's power to the wheels by selecting different gear ratios. Steering wheel is let the driver control the car's direction by turning the front wheels. This is the car wiper to keep the windshield clear of obstructions like rain, snow, dirt, and debris to ensure the driver has a clear view of the road. Car side mirror help the driver to see areas to the side and behind the vehicle. Rear view mirror provide the driver with a view of the area behind the vehicle, enhancing safety and aiding in maneuvers like parking and lane changes. Car wheel provide a rolling platform that allows the vehicle to move by transferring the engine's power to the road and supporting the vehicle's weight.